Come along with me for a day that started off horribly. I mean, look at this rain. But ended up being an amazing Saturday where I went to Lululemon and met up with someone that you might even know from my TikTok live streams. Okay, so started the day and it was disgustingly wet and my train wasn't running, taught a class and then took a class. At bar 3, of course. And then I was so sweaty and still drenched from the rain, but went to meet Erica at Starbucks Reserve. We then proceeded to go to Michael's. I was so excited to meet Erica in person for the first time because we've been chatting for so long and we're going to the Eras tour together in Miami in 2024. Naturally, we ended up at a Lululemon. This was a temporary store because the Flatiron location is being revamped. After an amazing hangout, I went home, I got Levon cookies, got the dogs food, and then got to work on some really adorable bracelets. Also made these necklaces. I know the concert is not until 2024, and I'm actually going to a Jonas Brothers concert before the Eras tour, but that's not going to stop me from making bracelets about basically anything and everything. Today started off rotten and ended up being a great day. I'll see